Looks like fun. Good. Looks like fun. Hello everybody, this is Dan. I just put this video together. It's about a 6.5 minute video. Hope you enjoy it. It's some fun looking out our front door during the winter storm Fern that impacted the upstate of South Carolina January 23rd through January 26th of 2026. It brought significant freezing rain, sleet, and snow to the region. Started around January 23rd that evening, peaking around Sunday, January 25th. Very freezing temperatures, very cold. 6 people died in South Carolina due to the winter storm, Fern, ice, and freezing temperatures. Also, just you can see in the video, there were some funny things. People, our neighbors getting out and enjoying the winter ice, sledding down the street, even a crazy nutcase on a motorcycle. That was pretty hilarious. But anyway, you would just take a look. I hope you enjoy the video, and it's nature. Enjoy. Thank you.
Hey man, hit the button. Subscribe.
Looks like fun. Good. Looks like fun.